Oh snap! That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Andrew, you scared? Just a little. That's tight. Oh, that's nice. Hey, let me put this thing so I don't drop it.
Look at the airplane.
What the?
Airplane, you see it?
What? This is tripping me out.
Wow.
You okay? You okay?
You know what would be scary if this fall down?
Oh, only.
But you don't drop your camera.
No, I put it around my wrist so it don't fall. If I drop it, it'll just fall, but it won't go down.
Don't do it.
You okay, Luis?
No.
No.
They're right there.
What an airplane? Can I see it? No, I can't see it.
Oh my god. There they are.
That's crazy.
What number are we on?
We're 5. That's look like little ants from up here. They are ants. Who said that? Me. Nah. That's crazy, right? No?
Church over there?
Yeah. That's what I asked your mom too. In the beginning, it's kind of. Oh, there goes number 1.
Are there any animals now?
No. What do you know? The big dome. Oh, I hate that part. Wait, animals. Oh, the gorilla E.
They're inside that cave.
That's crazy. Andrew. I hope they're. Wait, is that them? Is that them?
Yeah.
Hey! Can you see me?
No.
Whoa, you saw
Ruben! Hey!
Ruben!
Ruben! Hey! You can't now.
Ruben!
No.
Ruben!
This is nice, bro, no? She?
Oh my god. Hurry on.
Oh yeah, the bus, yeah.
Ruben!
Is that the bus that your mom wants to go on?
Yeah! We're up in the sky!
Oh, that's actually nice. I don't understand. Wait, what's happening over here?
We'll enjoy the show.
Oh my god! I'm gonna call them?
Wow, this train is all lit.
That's a bird show right there.
So cool.
Did your mom want to see that?
Ruben!
Oh, oh, what the?
It'd be better if we fell on water.
Hey, a duck. Hey, whatever that is. Oh.
Get up quick. Get up quick. Go, Danny, go.
Alright, guys.
Go.
Watch out, baby.
You want to wait for them? Hey, like, go, so I can put them.
Oh, so we're going to send you around.
How was it? It was nice?
Over the stroller.
What, have to go in one?
Yeah.
Hey, I was right. I was right. It had its own theme. So you liked it?